Alright guys, for this episode 12, we're going to attack a 25-degree angle with the bottom of the top ball. Let's go ahead and get started.
Alright, so what we have set up here is the bottom part of the 6 ball. The tangent is going to the bottom of the 6. We're using the 4 ball, so for our studies, we're going to line up with 8/8. On this shot, I like to do stun draw. So half tip below center, full stroke.
Alright guys, we're at it again with the break shot in slow motion. This gives us a complete overview of exactly what's happening with the balls. But let's go ahead and see how I go ahead and close out this rack. Should be fun, should be a little easier, open pretty nicely.
And tamed a couple shots here, but pretty demanding opening shot. I think I'm gonna go ahead and shoot the 7 and go into the 12, hoping for a shot on the 14. Okay, so if I go through it, I might have the 13 ball. I go through it, I got the 13 ball, so let's go. I also have the 6 on the side, should I choose? And the 15, which I think is my ideal choice here. So let's go ahead and get rid of the 15. Okay, I'm going to swing a little wide for the, well, I don't need to attack these right away. So this is something that comes up a lot in straight pull. If I play position for the 8, I can get to the 12 and come back up table. Since I have 2 balls here, it's not necessary that I address it immediately. I can hesitate a little while and still be all right, generally speaking. So instead of playing position for those balls, I'm going to leave that in my back pocket and it's something I can use, but instead I'm going to try to play for the 6 here. You know what, I'm going to play for the 6 inside. I'll have either the 14 or the 6. I got the 6 and the 14. I think I'm going to go ahead and attack this stack a little bit. I should have the 10 after. If not, I'll have the 13. Use the 10 to get on the 5. And use the 5 to get on the 3. I'm going to go to those balls lightly and I'll have the 13 next for one of those 2 balls. Got a little scared there. Sorry guys, got a little scared. I'm going to play the 11. I'm going to go towards the 6 ball, but I should have the 13 or something else if I don't get on the 6. I got nicely on the 6, so I'll go ahead and attack it. Guys, this rack is shipping out, or shipping up to look like a 8-12 1 break shot scenario. So as I said before, balls at table, sometimes a nuisance, but in this particular case, kind of ideal. okay, I'm just going to swing to the other side, and then I'll have a natural angle to get to the one, so it's actually ideal. Just need to get there, Okay, we're all right. Pure follow, no English.
Okay, pool players, this concludes the 12th episode. Hopefully this gives you a little insight as to how to approach this particular break shot with this angle, and you guys can try this at home and see how your results stand up. Please feel free to send me a private message or put a comment underneath this post, and let me know if you guys need any help with anything. I do appreciate you guys watching and sharing, and I'll see you guys at the next angle. Take care, have a good day or night. Bye.